Hi, I'm going to show you a technique I've been using to enjoy nature and using nature as my bathroom. When nature calls and I have to do my business. Now, if I'm on the trail, where am I going to go? I'm definitely not going to go to the water source. Do not pee or poop near the water. No good. Not on the trail either. You don't want to go on the trail. But let me show you what I found over here. It's priceless. I found a downed tree. I'm going to find a stick. I'm going to customize it. And I'm going to dig a cat hole, they call them cat holes, about 6 inches. And I'm going to look, I'm going to stand there, put my butt on this side, and then where is this going to go? You can use a rock, you can use a stick, you can buy a shovel. So it's not 6 inches because I'm not actually doing it. Let me come around. This one I use when I have to sit for a while. Say is because the humidity is terrible on toilet paper. Humidity will make the toilet paper thin. It'll ruin the toilet paper. Toilet paper blows away. Doesn't always do the job. Paper towels. So now I'm going to sit on the edge of the downed tree. I'm going to be careful and make sure it'll hold me. Yep. It might break. I think it's okay. Spread my legs so I don't get my shoes wet. Hang my butt off the back end. First I got to pull my pants down. Always to my knee. And always pulling them forward to make sure I don't pee on them. And then, or poop on them. I'm going to sit there and do my business. My pants are going to be fine. My pants will be at the front to here. And everything is going to the other side. Now I can enjoy nature, the birds singing, the yellow leaves. Just like my bathroom at home, I see a nice picture. I enjoy my matching towels, whatever. This is my time to relax and do my business. So, now, when I think I'm finished my business, I'm probably not. I'm going to stand up. I got to ask myself, am I really done my business? Because sometimes it's hard to relax when you're not at your house and at home. Make sure you got it. So, if you're not quite done, do a double void. It means pee again if you have to. Make sure your bladder's empty. Make sure your stuff is all gone and everything. Now I'm going to stand up and I'm not going to move. I'm going to check my feet. Is there any wetness around me? Is there any poop around me? Is it okay, safe to walk? Okay, I don't want to get so caught up in my activity that I sprain an ankle or something. I could drop it in there if I dig it deep enough. It is paper, so it will eventually go back to nature. Some places you have to put it in a Ziploc bag and bring it home. Kind of depends upon what your preference is, what the regulations are, where your park is that you're at. A lot of factors, how long you're on the trail. A lot of factors about that. There's no one way, whether you want to put it in or whether you want to bag it out. You cover up with dirt first, and then with more leaves. Boom, you're done. Now you can go back on the trail and enjoy nature. Don't forget your paper towels. Here we go. Bye-bye.